working for Humanutopia, there's always a couple questions I always get asked. The first question being, what's it like to work for Humanutopia? Well, simply, it's an amazing job. I get to travel across the UK, meet different people from all over this country. The second question I always get asked is, how do you do this job? And to answer that, I think I'm going to need to take you right to the beginning of my day. Today we are in Scotland at Elston High School, and what a school it is. Once these guys head home, our work is still not yet done. We have to head from Scotland all the way to London to get ready and prepare for the school we're in tomorrow. What you guys can see behind me is a whole bunch of our newly trained Year 9 heroes working, running some challenges, some games with the Year 5s of a local primary school. We have an opportunity available soon for anybody 18 and above that's interested in joining our delivery team. If you're interested, please email at hubert@humanutopia.com and keep an eye out on all of our social media platforms for our official vacancies. So, you've seen a little bit behind the scenes, what it's like to work on the road. So hopefully, we see you soon at